Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Currently, these clouds here is a thunderstorm about, 6 miles away. There have been lightning strikes 6 miles away. There is some active lightning, but I hope it's not done as soon as I come out here. And I don't really know what's gonna happen now. Since I don't know if it's moving here or not. I know that it should rain. But I at least hope to catch some thunder. If I don't catch any lightning. As you know, tomorrow is a slight risk day with 5% tornado probability. So maybe we could get a tornado or two, along with some hail and damaging wind. Right now, these storms are apparently to the southeast. And are they moving here? I think they are. I mean, no, to the southwest, and they're moving northeast. So you see these clouds here is the storm. We actually got a pool open now. I don't know. Like, I just saw, like, lightning occurring on a lightning map. And there's, like, no thunder that I can hear. I really hope it's not just done as soon as I come out here. That'll really piss me off. But this storm is rather small and pretty isolated, so it's really nothing much. But you know, tomorrow, but I do think these small thunderstorms are nostalgic. So I think they are somewhat fun to experience, especially when they occur. I mean, they're nostalgic because they're beautiful, especially like when they occur at sunset. Also, these clouds here, also some storm clouds in this area. So as you know, I've been storm tracking, and there's actually a moderate risk right now. There was a moderate risk yesterday in the central US, and there's a moderate risk again today. It was an enhanced risk, but now it's a moderate risk. So I don't know what's gonna happen now. Since now that we're getting since we haven't had like a severe thunderstorm for a while. And so because of this, because it being in the 80s, because of the highs being in the 80s for like, as you can see, got the pool open and everything. I made a video with it yesterday underwater. I used a waterproof case for my phone. Let's stop for a second and see if we could find a 4-leaf clover. If I find a 4-leaf clover, then I would be lucky and we'll see a storm tomorrow. Oh man, I thought that was a 4-leaf clover right there. No, it's just 2 3-leaf clovers stuck together. I'm sure there might be at least one in this patch though. Like, this is what you gotta look for. You gotta look for a good clover patch, and this might not be good enough. So, but it is spring now, so these can start growing. But let's see if we can find any. Why is it blurry? It's starting to get a little breezy. Yeah, I don't know where all the thunder is now. I'm just gonna sit out here. I'm just gonna sit down. Because I'm totally safe. Or I would think I am. Yeah, I'm totally safe. I'm not in any kind of danger right now. But if you look, you can see like the thunder ahead. Pretty nice. But these storms, I think, are moving pretty slowly. So I don't know if I don't know if we're gonna get hit anytime soon. Because I think we're about to have because I think I'm about to have dinner. So tomorrow I think the storms should hit around 7 to 8 p.m. and last until about 10 p.m. I'm talking about severe storms tomorrow. Basically, what's gonna happen is we're gonna start tomorrow with maybe some thunder showers in the morning, then rain throughout the day. Rain throughout the day. And then severe storms later. I think I just heard a little bit of thunder. If you didn't know this, you might know this is that lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. And here's the thing. If you can hear lightning, if you can hear thunder, then you're close enough to be struck by lightning. Let's say you're listening to the weather, and let's say it's early or late season, and it says severe thunderstorm warning. It's like, well, at least in this area, I'm just saying this. Yeah, I think the clouds are like starting to, sky's getting a bit darker, The sun's over there. I think, what was I saying? If there's a severe thunderstorm warning and it's like early or late season, in this area, oftentimes there will be little to no lightning. So if you listen to the alert or see the alert, and you're outside, and it says the storm may contain little or no lightning, you should still get inside and take cover, because those storms can have really gusty winds and even produce tornadoes. Look at those clouds. I think I'm gonna go around to the front. Go around out front so I can get like a better view of all these clouds. In those storms that may have little or no lightning, if you don't seek shelter, you can get hit by a piece of... You might get hit by a projectile. I don't know if I'm hearing things, but I feel like I'm seeing... have I been seeing any lightning? I don't think so. Maybe that's just me. But I think I am hearing a little bit of thunder. Because look, and these clouds are starting to the sky is kind of getting darker, Yeah, this is often what a sky will look like during a thunderstorm. You gotta look for kind of that like darker color along with like billowing clouds. It's currently 6:01 p.m. Still, it's not late. It's not that late. This would be considered late afternoon at this time. Or starting to look kind of like dusk. I think that's just because there's a storm coming. It would be brighter, though, if the clouds weren't blocking the sun. Alright, I think I'm gonna get up now. So, I don't know what's gonna happen with these storms, but these storms seem to be pretty severe. And this is actually, well, not this one. This one isn't even a strong thunderstorm. At least not that I know of. It's just a regular thunder shower. Something like that. But those storms tomorrow look to be pretty severe. Because like I also look at a weather radar forecast. Also looks pretty strong. I don't know if they're going to be as strong as April 1st. If any risk goes up to an enhanced risk, I'm sure it might be around here. Alright guys, in like only a minute I gotta come in for dinner. But as I was saying, if there's an enhanced risk of severe weather in any areas, I'm sure it might be in our area. Because, like, our area looks to be one of the areas that has the strongest storms. I could be wrong, I don't know. Also, like, North Carolina and other parts of the Southeastern states might have severe storms as well. But we have a 5% tornado risk. And other area, and that's kind of like a straight line, that risk area. It goes down to North Carolina. If you don't know what I mean, then go to the Storm Prediction Center. Go to day 2 and see the tornado probability. And that there's a 5 risk that goes from here all the way down to North Carolina. Which is where, if there are tornadoes, it should probably be in that area. There also might be an enhanced risk there if the risk goes up. But I don't know what's going to happen. It might be another April 1st, 2023. And that storm was not an April Fool's joke. It's like the forecast is, hey, you're going to get a regular thunderstorm. And that would be an April Fool's joke, because that was not a regular thunderstorm. That was the strongest storm we've had all that year. And stronger than any of the storms we got in 2022. But not as strong as the storms we got in 2021. With, like, Hurricane Ida. If you remember that Hurricane Ida event, there were several tornadoes and flooding. Alright, I'm gonna go inside now. Hope you guys enjoyed this useless storm video. All we're getting is just some storm clouds. Unfortunately, the lightning stopped when I came out here. That might have been the case. So yeah, I'm gonna go inside now. Hope you guys enjoyed my talk or whatever. And this storm. And I'll see you in my next video.